the GoPro 8s to actually fire up this morning, so I'm going to try it. Hopefully it'll work. But this old land yacht is about to get some paint today as soon as it gets here. So I got to finish getting it cleaned up and prepped. I got to tape my bottom line on here, open the doors and get the inside of that taped up, and it'll be ready to spray as soon as the paint gets here. I'm using wax and grease remover here. When you wipe it on, you got to make sure you completely dry it with a rag. Do not let it dry itself. Saturday night I did a premiere video. That was a little different. I've never done that before. I've tried it in the past, but wasn't able to get it to work for me. But Saturday night I did that and I really enjoyed it. I was able to conversate with some of you on the job I was doing, and I plan on doing that again this coming Saturday. So if you're not doing anything Saturday about 9 p.m., join in. Okay, for the stripe, I've been kicking it back and forth, even talking with the customer on it, trying to figure out what we was going to do. We're wanting to keep it right in this area, but looking at the picture he sent me, you can see they got it down here. That's only that just don't look right. So I think we're going to stay right here. Their stripe stops right at this body line. Our stripe comes up 2 inches above it, and that's about 2.5 inches there. So since we're raising that up and that's there, it'll be about the same width as that. So I'm going to start laying this out and see how it looks. Alright, so hold that on one on that body line. We're at 10.5 right there. looks like it's just below right there, and all this will be blue. I don't know, I still think it looks a little narrow between here and here. I don't know, let me throw some blue tape on there and see what it looks like. Alright, first GoPro overheated and quit on me. I'm not fighting with it. Went to the second one, see if this one will last a little longer. I like that stripe. I think it'll be a good size for it once we get the pin line on there. I think it'll look nice and slick. You know, I could get some of your guys' input as I'm doing these, see what you think looks better if I could go live. But I have to have 450 or so more subscribers before I can go live. Hope I get there one day, but right now I'm not there. Alright, let's get this thing taped up. Time it is? It's paper time. Oh, well, no, not quite. I gotta do this one yet. This one's a simple one. Where this line comes out, it's right on that, right there. So it's sticky. Right there. We'll come over on this side. We'll stick it right there. Alright. Told you it was simple. And now it's paper time. Let's get this done. Oh yeah, that was fun. Man, that's a lot of taping just for a stripe. Did all the jams. Had to go back and hit this edge with Scotch-Brite just to make sure the edge was ready. It's ready for paint. Well, first step of paint, the gray in here. And then I gotta let it warm up again. And hopefully it'll cure enough to be able to tape to the gray today. And then do the blue, and then come in tomorrow and do the clear. It depends on how it cures out with this weather. Not exactly sure how it's gonna cure out, so I don't know, we'll see. Right now it's 70 degrees in this room, but I know as soon as I turn that fan on, it's gonna drop down to about 60. And then I'm gonna have to warm it back up and keep it warm long enough for that to flash off. All right, let's get this thing shot. Much more. All right. Now the reducer. Beautiful. Perfect. Get her mixed up. Hit all the edges first and then come back and get the bulk of the body. First coat down. Yeah, I like that. All I can say is, wow. Jimmy nailed the color off of that picture. I think that is exactly what he wanted. This thing looks good. Now, it's not going to be dry till morning enough to tape to, so I'm going to wait till morning, untape the bottom half, tape the top half, get the blue sprayed, untape, and get some clear on it tomorrow. I'm going to leave this on. Hopefully it will at least keep it halfway as decent in here overnight. But, oh, awesome. Finally seeing some paint. All right. On the third GoPro. But I actually got a good video today, I hope. See you tomorrow. Thanks for following along. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and share my videos. Thank you.